Okay, so if we continue with the game, what's next? We need to add coins to the game. So let me go and get a coin. Let's see if I got a coin somewhere. Um, do do do. Coin. Let's see. How big is this? 16 by 16? That'll work. Just a blue pixel. That'll work. So, let's name this. Rename. It'll be coin. Someone's using base graphics. If you're good at graphics, you can make your own stuff. Just make sure to keep them like 8 by 8, 16 by 16, 32 by 32, 64 by 64, 256 by 256, 128 by 128, something like that. Some square number like that. Okay, so we need a coin, so close that, and we can. Oh, need to embed a coin image. So click on coin, generate the embed code, and it'll be public static variable coin PNG. It's gonna be a class. Things are about to get interesting. So it's we need to make a coin class first. Class. Let's call this coin. And it'll extend a Flixel sprite. I did flex. See? Easy mistake. Okay. So, here I have coin. We're also going to need to do the X and the Y into them so we can see where to spawn them on the map. There's a period there. Supposed to be a comma. That's why. Okay, so this, oh my god, this dot x equals x, and this dot y equals y. Okay, so we need to load the graphic to it. So a dot coin PNG, false, not animated. False, not reversed, and it's this. Our coin is 16 by 16 pixels. Okay, so I mean that's really all we need for the coin class. That's about it, really. Don't really need much more. Delete the main. Okay, so we're gonna add the coin. A coin will also be a group. Private variable underscore coin. And that's gonna be a Flixel group. So if you missed it last time, I can explain the group thing a little bit more here. So we're gonna create the new Flixel group. I'm a Doom player. I'm looking above. Coin equals a new Flixel group. You're just kind of initiating your group, creating it. And you can have a maximum size, but we're not going to do that because there'd be a lot of coins at once. Player, we could do just one, but it's not necessary. So now we have the coin. We're going to add the coin to the group. And, let's create a new coin. And we have to specify the X and the Y for this. So I'll put insert number, and insert num, so we don't forget to do that. Need two of them there. So now we don't forget to do that, because we need to do something special there. So then we would do add, this is for the play state though, for the game to add the group. For the game to add the group to the game, instead of adding something to the group. So add underscore coin. Okay, that's not right. So for these, we're gonna do math dot random. Now this, no. It's Flixel math we're gonna use. What? Flixel math is inside the power tool, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so if you haven't already got it, I'll leave a link on the thread, because we're gonna want to get Flixel power tools, and basically all it is, you just drag it here inside the plugin folder. It's a folder called Photon Storm, and it just has a lot of extra utility classes and stuff that's really good and really useful for like now, for example. So we're going to import it. Import Flixel math. Okay, so this is a really nice math function. Just do Flixel math, and then we use rand. Now let's choose a random number between two numbers. So that's really good for setting coordinates. Like you want to spawn between this x, and this x, and stuff like that. So we're gonna want to leave a 10 buffer. So like 630. No, we're gonna leave like a 20 buffer actually. And then 620. Okay, so that's that. So now we need to do the same thing over here for the y's. So Flixel math dot rand. So for y, we'll leave a 20 buffer too. So by 460. We'll just leave a 20 buffer so the pixels don't go off the screen, or the coins, or whatever you want to call them. Just so they don't go off the screen and mess everything up. Okay, so that should be our coin. So our coin should add randomly, but we're gonna want to add multiple coins. So we're gonna make a timer. Yeah. So instead of adding it like that, I guess we can do that. Add underscore or add underscore coin. We can add one to the screen for right now. So I'll show you guys how this works. So I added a coin there. So if I refresh the game, it's down here now. It's just in a random spot anywhere on the screen. That's kind of cool. So in our update function, we're gonna make I'll make it up here. Private variable t, which is a int, I guess. So t is t equals flxg dot. I didn't do that here, did I? So we'll just do epsilon there. Okay, so fxg dot I guess I don't like that. Fxg dot elapsed. No, I don't think it's like that. Okay, so if t is greater than or equal to, let's do it every, I don't know, like 3 seconds, so we could. And then t minus equals 3, and whoa, I thought I had copied. Add underscore. Is that a new coin? I think it's a new coin. I could be wrong. They might throw an error. It's also um oh my god, what is the console thing for Flash? Oh, the simplest thing I don't remember. It's not print, is it? No. Is it print? It's definitely not print. Print's Java and shit. Um, I can't believe I don't remember this. I'm gonna have to look this up. Trace. Oh my god, it's Trace. I could remember that. Trace, I don't know, timer working. Remember, oh, come on, not L. Remember right, I think I have to like set this equal to 0 up here. So let's try this now. I don't think our timer's working. At that, I don't remember how to do this. So I'm just kind of trying to wing it. So don't add that. T plus equals f(x)g time or elapsed. If t is greater than or equal to 3, let's do 1. Let's change this to the bottom. Maybe that's it, I don't know. I don't see our timer working. Let's figure this out. So it said added a coin. So that works. I don't know, maybe just do this at the bottom. I don't know, I'm gonna pause the video here. I'm gonna try and figure out why this isn't working. Okay, so I managed to fix it. It was something as simple as I had t set to an integer, and integers are only whole numbers, so it wasn't counting like the decimals all the way up. So that's why. So now if we run it, it should spawn in pixels. And we have to go collect the coins. Go collect the coins. Okay, but we can't collect the coins yet. And 1 second's a little too fast. Do it back to 3 seconds. Just comment that out. Comment that out. Also, we want the player to be there on the coin. So the coin's underneath the player. So it looks better. So let's do it one more time. There, now the player goes over the coin. 3's a little too slow. 2 seconds it is. And that should be good for this episode. That's a pretty long one. I think it's like 10 minutes plus more. So if I add the player, next time we'll have collision with the coin. And I guess keeping score, and that's basically it. Then we're done. That's a pretty good coin collecting game to me. So, see you in the next one, guys.